Tropic Hotel Restaurant. What you got there?
Sinigang na malaga.
Say that one more time.
Sinigang na malaga.
Ooh, that's tasty.
Yeah.
And I ordered this Korean beef. It's not bad. We've had it before. And then we're still waiting for calamari. So, and of course some Coke. That is good stuff. Alright, we just got our calamari. I love calamari. We bought 2 plates today. So we're going to have our fair share of calamari for sure. Anyways, that's about it. We're here at the Island Tropic Hotel and Restaurant. Haven't been here yet this year. We used to come here all the time last year, but not so much this year. So, bon appetit. Let's eat.
And then main thing is they close the dine-in.
They closed the dining. The
Dine-in.
dine-in option.
Yeah.
Kind of went away there for a while and then opened back up. So, anyways, we're gonna chow down on some of this stuff. So, thanks for joining us, and have a nice day. Later on, guys. Bye-bye.
You're pressing it on.